Yes, people, countryside again, countryside all day. We don't know. Just there to bring some light to one of our most popular entity, which is reggae music. And yet again, we do not own. We want to talk about VP Records and Island Records. VP Records, we don't know, it started and founded by Randy and his wife Pat Chin. And the company is now run by their son Randy and Christopher Chin. They are actually the largest independent reggae record label or distributors in the world. Then you have Island Record, who did start by Chris Blackwell and a lady then called Leslie Kang. Again, all of these, some of them are born Jamaicans, but they are non-black Jamaicans. And I don't want to always make this thing into a race thing, or act as if I have a problem with other races doing business or taking advantage in certain way. Not completely. I don't have a problem with that. I have a problem with us not competing on the level, on the level of these people. You understand? I have a problem with us always constantly being taken advantage of, and we're not positioned, still not positioned to fully benefit mostly off of our talent. Other races are, other people are. And I'm wondering when it's going to reach to a point when we can actually own our own. You know, because I don't think no other race of people have been taken advantage of as black people have been, and still continue to be taken advantage of. But we're at a point right now where we're supposed to start to own our things. I can give credit to the Marleys, who have become the largest distributors of reggae. But the Marleys Tough Gang is controlled by Universal Records. So they even though they have the title as the largest, they're not the largest independent. VP Records is. No, you know, we just have to sometimes just laugh, you know, because sometimes we act so bossy, we act so show-offish, and the people who really are running things we don't even hear about our RC. Well, I once heard us saying that they said power is silent. Power is behind the scenes, and it's so true. We hear all these names from Bounty Killer to Beanie Man, Shaggy, and look who's controlling them. Island Records, VP Records, who are ultimately controlled by other big foreign entity, because Blackwell sold out Island Records to Universal Pictures and Universal Music. You understand? And like when I said, Tough Gang is controlled by Universal as well. So it just go for sure, you know. And you know, I say forgive me for the background. You know, them in my normal location, but some videos need to be recorded and made. I just wanted to put that out there. But you know, it's full time for us to start control with own destiny. You know what I say? Because this explains why you see so much garbage is being put out there now. Because the people who are distributing, the people who are controlling this new genre of music don't care. You know what I'm saying? They don't care. I mean, you really look at the filth being displayed from the United States to the Caribbean to wherever we are. I think probably the only ones who are putting out some really good music right now is Afrobeats. You don't really hear the garbage in Afrobeats, but it's gonna come if we don't control that. I don't know who controls most of the Afrobeat distributors or whatever, but you know, as of right now, their music can be listened to by the entire family, and it sounds good. But if we don't control that, remember me tell the next 5-10 years, you're gonna hear garbage coming from there too. You know what I say? But I bring these things to our attention. Hopefully it upsets someone as much as it upset we, and we can combine our forces and do something about it. If you like, yeah, hit the like and subscribe. Countryside all day.